Ah, hello and welcome to the third episode of The Science of the Stupid. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about multidimensional theory, time travel, and the multiverse. See, our first question comes in. What does each of these mean? Well, the multiverse is basically where you take our world, but add a couple changes. Let's say, let's an example. Let's say Anthony here. You know Anthony. He's a cat boy, right? See, in this universe, he's a cat boy. But in a different universe, he's a dog boy. You see, that's what the multiverse theory is, where the universe is similar but different in a different way. Then we go to time travel. What is time travel? Now, you may be wondering, what is time travel? I'll answer you right now. See, time travel is where you literally go forward or backwards in time. Then, let me tell you another thing. Give you an example of that. Time travel. Let's say I go back to a random year. Let's say 1869. Random year, right? I would move a chair, okay? And then I'll come back, and all of a sudden, everything's gone to shit. Oh, it's just random. See, every event you would do in time travel is significant. Like, if I even move a rock or a chair, it would alter the course of a timeline. Anyway, let's continue. Now let's talk multi-dimensional dimensions as a whole can of worms that I don't even want to get into. But to keep it short, let's say, you see, I'm a human, right? In this dimension. I want to talk about dimensions. Let's say, in this other dimension, we are lizard people. Or, I don't know, fish people or dog people. A couple examples there. Or even cats. I don't think I like that one. Then, let's go on to the next question. Are they possible? Are they possible? See, we've done a lot of studies in space, stuff like that, yada yada yada, and we have found that it is entirely possible. We have found that we can actually go forward in time, as explained by Mr. already. The man's right there. He had shown us that we can go forward in time. Let's say you take a black hole, but like a couple million light years away. It's still going to, what's it called? Time dilation. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. Can you turn it on? Yeah, thank you. Anyway, time dilation, yes. Where the closer we get, the more time becomes more dilated, or slowed down, if you will. This is a random example that's out there. Now, how does this apply to us as a race? Man, I don't even know. I'm just answering these questions. But what I would say is that if we continue studying on all this stuff and you figure it out, I don't know. You might even want to, evolve into an entirely different species. Entirely different species? Really? We're going? Probably gonna die when we do that, to be honest. Though, I do have an example of a theory of multi-dimensional traveling. See, I have this picture for us that will probably help understand multi-dimensional travel. You see, I'm gonna show you a picture right now. See this picture right here. Probably look backwards, I know, but it just says adios of an old man going through a wormhole. See, if we go through a wormhole, what would happen? We've already figured this out. The only thing we do know is that we get sucked into a black hole and turn to one long noodle of a spaghetti stretched out atom by atom. And what might, let's see, if we do survive this spaghettification, all that stuff, we would come out on Jor to the other side of a white hole. See, what is a white hole? I'm glad you asked. Basically, a white hole is the opposite of a black hole. Instead of pulling stuff in, it pushes stuff out. You see, I've done a lot of pushing in my time, and certainly takes a lot of energy. So the fact that this might not even exist, we don't know, but we have proven that black holes exist. That's another thing. Now, another thing I want to talk about is, can we use any of these to further our understanding of the universe? See, that's an interesting question. Now, what I want to say is about that is, we may not learn. We're always learning about something new. And what I think is that we're going to learn how to cook chili dogs. Now hear me out. I'm the chili dog, alright? See, chili dogs, let's say the chili dog is a timeline, alright? Every single thing is significant. If you go back and try to change it, it's create a whole different thing. Well, let me continue before you can pause. If you have, I don't care. Chili dogs, yes. Timelines is very interesting. See, if we change one thing in the past, it could alter the future. I'm just yapping. But how would this... Now you're probably wondering, why am I talking about chili dogs? I'm talking about how it further help us further understand the universe. You see, if we figure out how to, travel through portals, through black holes, coming through white holes. Now, you see, there's a couple of things I want to see, like an alien. Multiple aliens. See, if an alien looks like this, alright? All shriveled up, dry. Anything? Yeah. Shriveled up, dry, and dead. Pretty much dead, right? Now, if that's not what they look like, and female aliens, that's who get it on, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let me just continue. See, I really want us to go to different universes so I can see the beauties of other universes and other life forms, possibly. Like, do I believe that we are alone in this universe? Probably not, It's kind of like, I believe it, but I don't. It's kind of like that. Now, what I want to talk about that is, like, to summarize, it's really nice to know that there's a lot more out there than we think. For being space, it's very large. The chances of us finding it by chance, finding like another life form by chance, are like trillions to one. I know numbers. You see, it's very difficult to understand that. But let's get back into it before I, slow down. Let's pick it back up. Have you ever thought about what it would be like to turn to a noodle? Yes, you heard me right. Turn into a noodle. Imagine that. You just turn into one line of a noodle. Looking like a noodle. With all these hooks and stuff. You just be going all or something like that. What even happened? So many things we don't know about space. Which is honestly fascinating, really. See, space is really cool, you know what I'm saying? It's like, wow. We are so insignificant. Yet, we're learning more all about it. That's right. There's another topic I want to touch here, and that's if we are just one insignificant pebble among an entire, bucket of other rocks, it's really hard to think about. Like, we're just a grain of sand alongside a ginormous beach. See? It's very interesting. Now, you're probably wondering, just talk about space. It's part of the podcast, of the science of the stupid, really. I mean, you don't want to click on this video anyways. I didn't know you're still here. Now, you see, let's go back to black hole, actually. I want to talk about that a little more, since I do like me something that likes to, give a good suction, you know what I'm saying? Don't bring to it. See, black holes, they're very interesting. We've only ever gotten 2 pictures ever since we, just looked out, I just look into it. Now, black holes are an interesting case. We don't even know much about it, but what's interesting is that, as interesting as it is, we don't know what's inside of one. What do we do? I don't know. I'm not looking that up. Black holes are very strong, extremely strong. Like, once you get into its gravitational pull, you can't get out. And when you get closer to a black hole, time slows down around you. You could be there for like a couple minutes, and then out there has been like a couple of years, or an hour. It could be like 50 years, or something like that. Yeah, it's very interesting that black holes can look really amazing from just 2 pictures. We can already tell that it's orange-red hue around it. It's very cool, really. Will we ever get a clear picture of one? Who knows? Maybe not. And then, that comes back to spaghettification. Like, if we get sucked into it, we're gonna get stretched out from atom to atom, never to be seen again. Which is honestly very fascinating, because black holes are like extremely heavy. And I know a lot of heavy people. Like, I know one heavy person, like, when you compare to black hole, oh my gosh. Like, I sometimes wonder how we haven't even died and has fallen into a gravitational pull. Maybe on the Earth considers that, I don't know. And then, what you think about it is like, wow, very interesting, right? White holes, which we don't even know if they really exist. We've proven that black holes exist, time dilation, time travel. We've proven a lot of stuff about space. Like, one of our planets in our solar system is a failed star. That's a whole different topic. You should have seen like what in the first episode. You should have seen it in the first episode. Down in the description below, right? If you wanna go check out that video, or top left or top right, I don't know where to put it. But it's like we are just average, to be honest. We are average planet orbiting an average sun. Ooh, sorry about that. Anyways, average. Which, a lot of things aren't pretty average. I mean, we're small. Though average, okay? You guys trying to compensate out there. You're seeing this. It's average, don't worry about that. I'm average too. Yeah, you should have me. Anyways. Planets, yes, that's right. What's interesting is that Mars was once a planet that was just like us. A sister planet. See, what happened? What happened, we don't know much about. But what we do know is that for some apparent reason, all the water is blue. That's all we do know. See, we already sent a bunch of robots there to collect samples, study, which is very interesting, because we found a lot of interesting stuff there. And do I believe that pictures on Mars are real? Probably not. I don't think so. What I really think is that the aliens are covering it up. So when the rover takes a picture, the aliens quickly come over, place a screen of like a desert. There's like place it right in front of them before it takes a picture, hiding the advanced civilization there is hiding on Mars. And yeah, the rocks, and that's just all scam. NASA isn't real. I don't even know. Is the moon landing fake? Probably not. I don't know why people think the moon landing's fake. They're just dumb, really. It's hard. Or dumb. I don't know. For sure the word, not right. Anyways, let's see. On the aliens, yes, that's right, aliens. See, I really want to bag a female alien. Okay, don't get me wrong. Aliens are weird. They're like 3 hearts, 5 stomachs. And would they even have reproductive systems? I'll figure it out. Don't worry. I'll figure it out eventually, Like, just give me one right now. I'll probably figure out what food is good for them. Like Frieza. Man's not even got a dick. All he got is, the holes in his ears. I don't know how that's gonna work. Like, it's weird that Frieza, from Dragon Ball, is the son of, I forgot his name. King's son. I don't care about his dad. He got one shot in his first episode. He got killed in the first episode. He got brought in. Like, how do they reproduce? It's very weird. Like, we've seen Frieza naked. Man ain't got nothing on there. Where there should have been something, but there isn't. I mean, it could be his tail. I don't know. What does his mom look like? If he even has a mom, or he, they reproduce like cell. They just come out of them. I don't know. I ain't no expert on aliens. Again, anyways. Give me a few million. Ooh, I'll be doing some real good studying on there. On an every region. So, to end this already lengthy podcast, I want to end it on one final note. Will we ever do anything significant? No, I don't think so. We're just a bunch of people evolved from monkeys, or just poof in existence. Right. From poof to existence, yada yada yada. I don't know. Hey, if you're not into religion or stuff like that, trying to be equal on all sides, neutral. But yes. So, thank you for watching the third episode of The Science of the Stupid. All the other episodes will be in my YouTube channel down below. Like and subscribe this video. And I'll see you in the next one.